Hi, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and I'm here to show you how to calibrate your orchard kit for your T60X. And so let's say you followed our previous video and you attached the orchard kit and everything. This is pretty much a follow-up of how to get everything set up. So first things first, we're gonna power on everything. All right, so once you have your drone powered on, your remote powered on, the first thing it's gonna ask you is a update. So pretty much the new modules that you attach for the orchard kit, you'll need to update them to the recent firmware. And once that is complete, you'll just go to Begin.
Obstacle bypassing enabled.
And once you're there, in the top right, go to Settings and go to your sprayer. And you can see here you have an option of alternate mode or full mode. So alternate mode is pretty much when you are flying forward, the rear sprinklers will activate, or when you're flying backwards, the front sprinklers will activate, or just all full mode that all 4 sprinklers spray. So once you're there, scroll a little bit down, and first thing you want to do is clear the trapped air. All right, and then now we'll need to calibrate everything. So at the very bottom, you'll see spraying system calibration. Tap that, and we're gonna do a flow meter calibration and a pump calibration. So flow meter. All right, once the flow meter is calibrated, next is gonna be the pump calibration. And for this one, you're gonna make sure your tank is full. So it's going to need a full tank to do this calibration. So once everything is good to go, press start. All right, now once the pump calibration is done, you are pretty much done. So now, if you want to give a quick test, sometimes it depends on the calibration, but sometimes there is water left in the tank, sometimes there isn't. And if you want for right now, just to give a quick spray. And we can see that all 4 sprinklers are working properly and they are dispersing the water properly. And again, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and that is how you calibrate your orchard kit for the T60X.